I guess we going on our ones.
Thank you.
Okay, no way. What are you saying? What are you saying? Yeah, I'm just chilling.
I did the volleyball stairs for a little bit, and then I was in the pool for a minute. Yeah, just chatting. Just some soul squats.
Yeah.
Are you still even sitting? Are you good?
Yeah, everyone's still in the room. We're almost sleeping.
Oh, it's like the scarf over the.
Like, I put it like a headband.
Oh, okay. See, what should you wear?
Because I did the chrome.
Oh, I'm gonna ask you.
I have a next one though. I want to take pics of. Loki's will book today before my hair gets done. I want to take group ones too, but I know it's gonna be too hard to get all of them out.
Well, yeah, we'll get them though. But honestly, your hair won't get that messed up first.
This shit's already coming out at the back. That's what I'm saying. Once it
You guys
gets
can see the back.
okay, once it gets wet, I know it's cooked. What are you still going to that thing one? That 3?
Yeah, for sure. I already told him about it too.
What time is it now?
It's like just about to hit 1. I was about to hit the gym.
Yeah.
Work out for like a 30 probably.
Yeah.
See what you guys were saying because you got probably in the room. I haven't ate yet still.
Damn.
But I was kind of I got I first did some shots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what the shot was called?
What?
Dirty Puppy.
Bruh.
But like explicit version.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, geez.
No, I'm actually gonna go back in. Thank you. Oh, with the plate. Yeah. Thank you.
10:30. I'm like, fuck 10:30.
I'm ready to learn for 9.
Oh, 9 was not happening.
And then
No.
I seen it and I was like, there's no way I'm getting up now.
I don't know. We didn't go to bed till like 4.
Yeah.
About 9. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, bro. Like I seen 10:30. Like nah. Then I woke up like 10:45, 48. I'm like, hey, sir.
I hate being in the room all day though.
Bro, bomb the room.
Yeah.
We've been doing this for like 15 minutes.
Yeah. Room is
Bomb the
ugly.
room.
Like, men's will kick it in there till like 2 or 3. It's like, bro, let's leave, yo.
God, that's how to just splash. I'm cheating from my book though. I'm gonna be on some artsy night.
And he lost
Duck
it?
by the beach. No, I forgot I'm home.
Oh,
I forgot looking nuts shit this year. I ain't tripping though. Even my sunscreen, bro, it's only face screen. Like,
Okay, I have bare sunscreen.
okay, I'm gonna holler at you then. Relax.
You need it?
Ish, not really.
Fam, I,
Only-
was gonna say,
only when-
I haven't even used it yet.
I might use it for the pool party though, because the sun
okay.
is beaming, bro. The sun is actually beaming. Especially when you're in the water too.
Yeah.
It's not. I don't need it. I just.
Yeah.